If your garage feels like a freezer every time you walk in, you know how hard it is to work with freezing tools and cold hands. Cold garages make working on projects, storing items, or even just getting in and out a chill-filled chore. That's why a good garage heater is an absolute must-have. It warms up the space, prevents pipes from freezing, and keeps your tools and belongings safe. So in this video, I'm going through the 8 best garage heaters that are actually worth it. These heaters don't just blow warm air, they're powerful, efficient, and built to handle tough winter conditions. Whether you want to heat a small workshop or a full-size 2-car garage, I'll have something for everyone. You'll find links to the best prices for all the garage heaters mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these garage heaters aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 8 is the Turbo 10,000 watt electric garage heater. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This heater delivers solid heat without paying crazy money. It runs on a 240-volt hardwired setup. You'll need an electrician to install it though. But once it's in, it's pretty hands-off. It can warm a large garage around 1,200 to 2,000 square feet. And because it has a fan, the heat spreads fast instead of staying stuck in one corner. I like that it has very flexible controls. You can use the control panel, the remote, or an app to change the settings. The app makes it easy to change the heat level from anywhere, which is nice if you don't want to walk into a freezing room. The temperature range goes from 45 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and you also get a timer from 1 to 12 hours, so you can set it and forget it. You can also adjust the louvers and the mounting angle to aim the heat exactly where you need it. Safety-wise, it's ETL listed, and it has overheat protection. The thermostat helps save energy by keeping the temperature steady instead of running nonstop. Here's what Walter wrote: "This is a great heater. I highly recommend the 15,000 BTU version as it is used in my garage and it needs it. Quiet and can be controlled by your phone. Overall, if you want strong heat, simple controls, and real value for the money, this is the best budget option out there." Number 7 is the Dura Heat Ceiling Mount Electric Garage Heater. This is the best ceiling-mounted garage heater on our list. If you want something strong that hangs out of the way and keeps your whole garage warm, this one is worth checking out. It's a hardwired 240-volt heater, so you'll need a professional to install it. But once it's set up, it's pretty much a clean and space-saving system. It pushes out around 34,000 BTUs, which is enough heat for spaces up to 1,500 square feet. And because it's a forced air design, the heat spreads around the room instead of sitting in one warm spot. You can also adjust the louvers so you can aim the heat exactly where you want it. The remote control is simple but useful. You can change the temperature from 45 to 99 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also set a 9-hour timer and switch on the ECO mode if you want to save some energy. And through the LED screen, it's easy to check everything at a glance. As for safety, it has an overheat protection sensor that turns the heater off if things get too hot. You also get a ceiling or wall mount bracket, so you can set it up wherever it fits best and keep your floor clear. Overall, it's a strong, compact heater that's the best choice for mounting on the ceiling. Number 6 is the NewAir 19,107 BTU 5,600 watt electric garage heater. This is the best high-output electric garage heater on our list. This one is small, but it's really strong. It's for those who want fast heat without waiting around. Even though it's compact, it puts out 19,107 BTUs, which is a lot for a heater this size. It can warm up a space around 500 to 560 square feet, so it's great for a garage, a workshop, or even a little warehouse corner. The airflow is 236 cubic feet per minute, which means the warm air spreads quickly. There's a safety grill on the front, so nothing touches the heating parts. It also has an automatic shutoff that kicks in if things get too hot. You can place it against a wall or in a corner since it's still portable enough to move around. Overall, it's a strong option if you just want fast, steady heat in a simple, tough design. Number 5 is the Mr. Heater Big Buddy Pro Series heater. This is the best portable propane garage heater on our list. This garage heater pushes out 4,000 to 18,000 BTUs, which is a lot for a heater you can carry around. It works well in spaces up to about 450 square feet. So for most garages or work areas, it's more than enough. You're going to have 3 heat levels, low, medium, and high, which makes it easy to control how warm you want the room. And since it runs on propane, you don't have to deal with cords or outlets. You can use 2 small 1-pound tanks on the sides, or connect it to a bigger propane tank if you prefer. It also shuts off if it tips over, if the oxygen drops too low, or if the pilot light goes out. So even though it's strong, it still feels safe to use indoors as long as you follow the basic rules for ventilation. Now, the Pro Series has got 2 new features: a quiet bi fan to push heat forward, and an electric igniter that lights with a simple button press. The fan runs on 4D batteries, and the igniter uses 1 AAA battery, so you don't have to keep clicking like the older models. Brandy puts it as, "It'll heat up around 300 square feet pretty good. I keep it on a cart near my workbench. The colder it gets, the closer I move it. The fans are quiet, which is nice, but you'll forget to turn it off." I ordered a stove fan, and that works a little better for moving the heat around than the internal fan. Nice heater for emergencies, hunting blinds, and small shops. No issues so far, and it's been over a year. Overall, it's a solid pick if you want fast, even heat in a simple carry-anywhere setup. And if you want to know the latest prices for the garage heaters discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the HeatStorm Wi-Fi infrared heater. This is the smartest garage heater on our list. If you want something you can control from your phone without getting up, this one makes life a lot easier. It's a wall-mounted heater, so it stays off the floor and out of the way, and once it's installed over an outlet, the cord hides inside the back, which keeps things looking clean. It puts out 1,500 watts and around 5,200 BTUs, which is enough for a small room as the main heat source, or a bigger space if you're using it as extra heat. And since it's infrared, it warms things in the room instead of just blasting hot air, which feels nicer on cold days. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi and adjust everything through the app. It even works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so voice commands are an option too. If you don't want to use the app, there's still a remote control and a simple touch screen on the front. Safety-wise, it has a cool-to-touch grill, a tip-over shutoff, and the wall stays cool even after running for a while. It's also pretty quiet at around 44 to 47 decibels, and the fan is smart enough to keep blowing until the leftover heat clears out. Overall, it's a clean, smart, space-saving heater for those who want simple heating they can control from anywhere. Number 3 is the Mr. Heater Portable Propane Forced Air Heater. This is the best propane garage heater on our list. If you need fast heat without waiting around, this one gets the job done. It pushes out 30,000 to 60,000 BTUs, which is a lot of power for something this small. And with that output, it can warm up spaces up to 1,500 square feet. The setup is pretty simple. You hook it to a propane tank, plug it in, turn the knob, and that's it. It uses a continuous ignition system, so it keeps sparking on its own. And because it has QBT technology, it runs 50% quieter than a normal propane heater, which makes a big difference when you're working in a closed space. And the fuel use is quite flexible. On the low 30,000 BTU setting, a regular 20-pound tank can last up to 14 hours, and a bigger 40-pound or a 100-pound tank lasts even longer. On the full 60,000 BTU setting, you still get around 7 hours from a 20-pound tank, so you get a lot of heat without constant refills. The heater also lets you adjust the angle, so you can point the airflow exactly where you want it. Overall, it's a high-power propane heater for those who need strong, steady heat without waiting around. Number 2 is the Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Heater. This is the best mounted garage heater on our list. It's a 10,000-watt fan-forced heater that pushes warm air across the room instead of heating one corner. This heater is made with heavy-gauge steel and can handle cold weather, dust, and daily use without feeling flimsy. And since it mounts on the ceiling with an adjustable bracket, you can angle it exactly where you want the heat to go. Plus, the front louvers move too, which lets you direct the airflow even more. You're also going to have safety features like an overheat sensor, a power light, and a fully enclosed motor so dust doesn't get inside. It's ETL listed too, which is nice for peace of mind. What I really like is the digital thermostat. You can set the temperature anywhere from 45 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and it holds it pretty well. There's even a 12-hour timer and a remote, so you don't always have to climb up to adjust it. This heater also needs a 240-volt hardwire setup. It's not a plug-in unit, but once it's installed, it feels like a built-in heating system. Overall, the Comfort Zone ceiling mount heater gives strong heat, simple controls, and a sturdy build without eating up floor space. Number 1 is the Brisa infrared electric heater. This is the best overall garage heater on our list. This garage heater is very flexible and works anywhere, inside the garage, outside on the patio, mounted on a wall, or even standing on a tripod. It comes with all the mounting hardware, plus an adjustable stand, so you can set it up however you like without hassle. I like that it works with the infrared heat. Instead of blowing hot air around, it warms surfaces the same way sunlight does. So when you turn it on, you feel the heat right away without waiting for the whole room to warm up. And with 3 heat levels, you can pick how warm you want things to be. You're also going to have a remote, which is nice when you're working or relaxing and don't feel like getting up. You can change the heat level, turn it on or off, or set the timer for up to 9 hours. It even shows you the current temperature, so you know exactly what's going on. Safety-wise, it has a tip-over sensor that shuts it off if it's knocked down. And since it's rated IP55, it can handle rain, snow, dust, and sand. That makes it great for year-round use inside or outside. Overall, the Brisa infrared electric heater is easy to use, works in almost any setup, and gives quick, steady heat without taking up much space. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect garage heater. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each garage heater. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.